My name is Rex Lagerstrom. I decided to go to medical school apparently when I was about 3 years old. I told my parents I was going to grow up to be a doctor and an artist. My patient philosophy is really very simple. I think every person is extremely unique, and although the books are very helpful when it comes to diagnosing people, they often don't help the people very much. You have to find unique solutions for almost every patient that comes through the door. I also try to really respect what people believe. If they come from a very traditional background, then I treat them traditionally. If they come from an alternative medicine background, I be as respectful as I can about that and still remain safe for the patient. Ultimately, my job is to be a navigator for my patients, to help them find the kinds of care that actually make them feel invested in their wellness and give them the greatest sense of hope to be better. I came to Louisville in 1970 when my family moved here. Prior to that, I'd lived in Connecticut and in Europe. I can honestly say I was made in Japan because that's where my family was living at the time. I grew up partially in Germany, partially in Connecticut, and then moved to Louisville when I was in high school and was fortunate enough to go to Bellarmine College, so I stayed here for that and then went to the University of Louisville Medical School after I completed my art school tenure and also a 3-year apprenticeship in stained glass. In my free time, I have 4 children and a wonderful wife, and I try to spend as much time as I can with them. My sons all like fishing, so we do a lot of fly fishing. My daughter is a lively spirit who likes to play soccer, so we follow her career as well. I also have a working studio and have had one ever since I graduated from art school in 1977. Over the past 30 or so years, I've had about 25 to 30 one-man shows, and I also do stained glass design and illustrate for medical texts.